My first video for functions, I actually shown halfway through we had a function and it ended up giving us 113 squared, and I said that was equal to 12769, 12,769. I could have very easily punched it into my calculator, so I've got it here today just to sort of show that these tricks work. And this is a very nice easy trick. You might want to use it just to show off yourself around, I don't know what kind of party we're going to. You won't even show off maths tricks, but you never know. It's one of these little tricks which I've found to be useful. Not that often, I'm going to be honest, but it's something when you know it, you might as well. So I'm going to show you how you can square very large numbers very easily. And this trick really only works around numbers close to 100. It depends on how well you know your square times table. I kind of know mine up to 40-ish, which does sort of help, because it means I can go, we'll show you. So this trick works around 100. So we're going to start with the positive sides of 100 first. And what we do is, so we're going to take a number, first we'll say 104. Okay, we're going to square 104. So what we do is first, we have a look at how far the number differs from 100. So we can see it differs by 4. So our difference is 4. This is very, very important. So we know 4 is our value here, okay? And what we're going to do is, we're going to first add 4 onto this number. So we end up with 108. And now we're also going to square the difference. So this is 16. Okay? And we are going to add the 16 onto the end. So we are given our 108, and we'll just put our 16 on the end there. So now, hopefully this comes up on the camera. I'll hold it up, it's not so clear. 104 squared, and we'll get it up there. 108, 16. You see, that works. For 113, we'll just go over that example. So we'll do, I won't start changing pens this time. So 113. We add on 13. So that gives us, once we've added on our 13, 1, 2, 6. Now 113 squared is, as you'll probably know, some of you may not, is 169. The way I like to remember that as well is a little trick. 113 is 169, 114 is 196. You just swap the 6 and the 9. It's a good way to remember the two. So we add on the 169, but we only ever add to 2 places. So we'll show you this example and we'll show you another one as well, so you get what I mean. We'll go through 1 or 2. So we add on 169, and that gives us 12769. See how that works? We'll give another example, finally, above 100, and we're going to do 103. Now I'm picking 103 because we add our 3 onto it again, so we have 106. Now we add 3 squared, which is 9. But we don't take it as 9 because or else that would give us 1069, which is wrong. We add on 09. So the next thing we do is we add the 09 onto it. So always add in for 2 places. So if it's 1 digit, we still have a 0. If it's 2 digits, we add it on. If it's 3 digits, we have to take this digit and add it to that one there. So if you give some of these a try yourself with above 100, they're very nice and very easy to use. What else I'm going to show you is that it works both ways actually. So these are a little bit more tricky because everyone finds addition easier than subtraction, I find. So these are going to be going down from 100. So we'll take a nice and easy one. We're going to go 98. This differs by 2. So if we take 2 off of this, the next thing we get is 96. And then if we square 2, we get 4. So we add on, remember, 2 places. So we add on 04. And now if we just do this here, 98 squared, you can see that on there, 9604, 9604. from doing this a lot, because where I put the numbers together in my head, I always end up reading them out as numbers, not 9,604 entry, out 9604. You might find you'll do that yourself. Everyone I've taught it to seems to do exactly the same. So, and if we try, we'll take the 13 again. We'll go the other way. So we take 1387, and then we do the same thing. We'll just punch it all through. We'll take 13 off. We'll add on 169. You get 7, 5, 6, 9. If I've done that right in my head. So 87 squared is 7569. So you see the trick works both ways, and it differs from 100. Now, if you can manage to learn your timetables up to 50, which I haven't managed to do yet, that'd be very impressive, and it means that you can go from 0 up to 50 with the ones you know, and then from 100 going down to 50 using this method, and up to 150 using this method, if you know 50 either way. So see what you think and see how you find it, and let me know.